Here I am inside a Michinoeki. Well, I'm inside my tent, which is then inside the Michinoeki. Yeah, I'm indoors, and yeah, basically it's like a rest stop. It's a rest stop for cars and stuff. And I basically parked my tent right here. And I'm extremely tired because I don't know, my sleeping pad is not that comfortable. But today I get to the first major city, which is Sapporo. We have pretty good beer, and more importantly, there's somebody waiting for me. So Tom, the first couch surfer, which is gonna be awesome, because I get to sleep on a couch at least. Yeah. So let's go.